Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you guys are doing good. This is Muniba and you guys are watching Beautiful Women by Sonia Baloch, and for today we're gonna do a little brownish smoky look with a hint of purple in it, so purple and gold in it. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, beautiful people, we're going to start with priming. I use Maybelline Baby Skin, you guys can see it over here. This beauty over here is going to prime. Let me do it and get back to you. Okay, beautiful people, we're going to start with priming. I use Maybelline Baby Skin, you guys can see it over here. This beauty over here is going to prime. Let me do it and get back to you. So the next step is, putting the concealer on your eyelids. I use Miss Rose, it's really good, it has full coverage, and just blend it on your eyes completely so that you get that color pop. Okay, so about the palettes, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution palette and Huda. I'll be using just two shades of Huda. One would be this Vortex, it's a really beautiful purple color, and another one would be Gold Glitch, this one. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so Makeup Revolution palette, I'll be using this one for my transition shade. This is number 4. So yes, let's get to it. You blend it, you put it like this, you use a round brush, look at it, and you do it. Okay, see a little bit closer what I'm doing. I'm just taking this brush from here to here and I'm just blending it. You blend it nicely and you can take it a bit out like this into a circle, okay, like this. Okay, see, this is how it's going to look once you're done blending the transition shade, this number 4 of Makeup Revolution palette. Now we'll be taking this color, sorry, this one over here, this is number 9. With this brush, we're using this brush. We're going to take it like this, little bit of it. We're going to use brown for smoking out and everything, and dab it on your eye like this and start blending it like this. Don't go out over here, just keep it inside till here and you blend it. Okay, that's how you're gonna do it, smoking out and everything, and dab it on your eye like this and start blending it like this. Don't go out over here, just keep it inside till here and you blend it. Okay, that's how you're gonna do it. I'm gonna do it on the other eye as well and get back to you. See, this is how it's gonna look once you're done with your dark shade, like this and like this. Now we're gonna take concealer and we're going to cut our crease till here and here. A lot of people use a brush to cut their crease, but what I do is that I take the concealer on the tip of my finger and I put it here and I dab it. See, this is how you're gonna do it. Okay, we're done cutting crease. Look at it, this is how it's gonna look. And now for the cut crease part, we're going to put a little bit of transition shade with our fingers. Okay, we're going to use this color, this over here. I'm gonna see and tell you, this is number 6, and look at it, it's highly pigmented. You're going to dab your finger over here, and this is, we're not gonna go full, we're just gonna dab it over here. Okay, I'm gonna do other eye and get back to you. So I used Golden Glitch for the glitter part over here with the finger. I didn't use any brush, with the finger only. Acha, see a closer look. See, this is a bit messed up. So what we're gonna do is that we're going to take this brush again, this one, and we're going to take Vortex, this shade as I was talking about. Dip it very lightly and you very lightly just dab it and try to mix these two together so that it gives you this look. Okay, I'm gonna do it with other eye too. This is how your eyes are going to look once you're done with your eye shades. If you want to keep this, you can keep these, otherwise I'll wipe it off using a wipe, or you can wipe it off using your fingers as well. So, and right, again, for giving the final touch for the eye shades, we're gonna again take this shade over here very lightly. We're going to take this brush and we're going to start blending again to give out that smoked out brown shade. See what I did over here? I'm gonna do it on this eye as well. You guys get again to give out that smoked out brown shade. See what I did over here? I'm gonna do it on this eye as well. You guys get, see, this is how it's going to look. Okay, now we're gonna go and clean and put on the eyeliner. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me set the dupatta. This is the final look, and a bit close up. Yeah, so I did a very little makeup. I did not go full glam. I just put on a little blush on and a lipstick, and the earrings are, they were looking nice. So this look you can carry off in your gatherings and get-togethers. And yeah, if you're wearing a gold and a white dress with a purple dupatta, this is a killer. Dupatta cannot be, So yes, do tell me how did you guys like the video, and give it a like, and have a good day or good night. Bye, see you later.